So in this video, we'll show you how to create a membership. So what you'll do is you'll go to services, create a new service, and we're going to choose membership. Keep in mind that PayPal is not supported. You'll have to use Square or Stripe or Clover. And we'll just put, let's say, a gym membership. And, join our gym, whatever description you want. And the price will be, say, $100. Online and offline payments. And let's say there'll be a monthly. And let's say the billing cycle will be 12 months. So it's a 1-year membership paying monthly. Duration will leave blank for now. And that's it. And basically what you could do is you could write custom fields if you want to have specific questions. If you want to add photos from the gym, etc. And then you'll embed it like you'll do any other service into your website. And it's just to point out with memberships, it can be weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annually. And you could choose the different cycles. Keep in mind, if your customer wants to cancel after joining membership, they'll have to contact you and you have to manually cancel their membership. Okay, much more still to come.